How are you enjoying the movie?
Come on.
I guess it's over.
We can get up now?
Even Jazz walked out. Do you want to join our movie? Please?
No, stay right here. Stay right here. Behind me.
Can you join our movie?
Oh, this is...
Please. The movie's starting. The movie's starting.
Can somebody please join our movie?
Please. We need all the kids.
Calling all children.
Call our children.
Calling all the kitties.
Not kitties. I got this.
Here she comes, but she doesn't want to be in our movie.
No, she's smart. Alright, can we get up?
Look at this girl going after these boys. Bye.
Hey guys, can't play ball in here, okay? Sorry.
Jazzy, ask if he wants to be in the movie.
Do you want to be in the movie? Yeah, you want to be in it. Okay, the movie's starting.
Alright, the movie's over. We gotta go. The movie's rated R. Let's go. You can't be here, Jazz.
Yes.